Imagine biting into your favorite crispy chicken sandwich, savoring that perfect blend of spices and crunch. But did you know that in some places that delectable chicken may not even be 100% chicken? That's correct. Some fast food restaurants have been caught utilizing fillers and additives to bulk up their poultry offerings. Shocked? You should be. Today, we will unveil the astonishing, eyebrow-raising, and truly eye-opening truths of the fast food industry. These aren't your typical tidbits. They're insights that will cause you to question every bite, fry, and shake you've ever had. Stay tight, because what you learn today could change your perspective on your favorite fast food businesses forever. And stay tuned until the end when we'll unveil the most shocking one of all. Fast food has become an integral part of our daily lives. It's quick, it's convenient, and let's face it, sometimes it hits the spot like nothing else. But behind that golden exterior, there are hidden dangers lurking. From questionable ingredients to dubious preparation methods, the fast food industry is hiding more than you think. It's time to peel back the curtain and see what's really going on in those bustling kitchens. Number 1, the mystery meat. Ever wonder why that burger patty tastes the same no matter where you are? To minimize expenses and maintain consistency, many fast food businesses employ fillers such as soy, corn, and even cellulose. Yes, that is wood pulp. While technically edible, these fillers are not what you would expect from a beef burger. Number 2, artificial flavor overload. That unmistakable taste of your favorite fast food fries? It is often the result of artificial flavoring. Some restaurants add beef flavoring to their fries to make them enticing. This means that even the fries may not be vegetarian-friendly. Number 3, hidden sugars. Fast food is notorious for hidden sugars, even in savory items. From burger buns to sauces, these sugars can add up, contributing to health issues like diabetes and obesity. Number 4, questionable chicken. Remember that crispy chicken sandwich? Many fast food chicken products are injected with a saline solution to keep them juicy and flavorful. While this might enhance taste, it also means more sodium than you'd expect. Number 5, prepackaged ingredients. That fresh-looking salad? It might have been prepackaged days ago. Fast food chains often use pre-chopped, pre-washed, and prepackaged ingredients to save time, which can compromise freshness and nutritional value. Number 6, high-calorie salads. Think you're making a healthy choice with a salad? Think again. Many fast food salads come loaded with high-calorie dressings, cheese, and croutons, often making them more calorific than a burger. Number 7, secret sauce ingredients. The special sauce on your burger might contain over 20 ingredients, including preservatives and artificial flavorings. It's a chemical cocktail that's far from natural. Number 8, trans fats galore. Despite many bans, trans fats still lurk in some fast food items. These harmful fats are linked to heart disease, yet they can be found in fried foods, baked goods, and margarine used in cooking. Number 9, sodium bombs. Fast food is a major contributor to our daily sodium intake, often far exceeding recommended limits. High sodium levels are linked to hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. The most shocking revelation of all, some fast food chains have been caught using pink slime in their burgers. This ammonia-treated meat byproduct is used as a filler and is far from the fresh, high-quality beef you expect. It's a stark reminder of the industry's dark side and the lengths they'll go to cut costs. So there you have it, 10 fast food secrets that will make you rethink your next drive-through order. From mysterious meats to hidden sugars and questionable additives, the fast food industry is full of surprises. It's clear that more transparency is needed to ensure we're not just eating what's convenient, but also what's safe and healthy. What do you think about these revelations? Have you experienced any fast food surprises yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more eye-opening content on dynamic health. If you're hungry for more, check out our other video where we delve into topics just like this.